Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add tags on a GetContact app. Now if you want to add tags on a GetContact app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed the GetContact app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to launch the app on a device and make sure that you are already signed in or signed up for this account. This is the home page of GetContact and you'll see various options on the home page like phone, chat, menu and all of the things. So you just need to search for the contact. So I'll simply type a name. First select the country you just want to search for. So I'll simply search the number and click on the option of search. And after searching the number, so I have just typed a random number. So after searching the number, here you'll see the option which says add tag. So click on the option of add tag and you may simply enter a tag name like friend or anything you just want to give them a tag off, and after that click on the option of add tag highlighted on blue, and after that it says tag added successfully. It will be visible within 24 hours. So that's it. That's how you can add the tags on GetContact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.